everybody, I thought I would do a quick video while I'm making breakfast for everybody to show you an easy breakfast I like to do. Now, full disclosure, it is not healthy by any stretch of the imagination, so I don't do this very often, but once in a while it's a nice breakfast. So first I do tater tots in my air fryer, which I do love, and I just get the basic tater tots, seasoned shredded potatoes at Walmart. And you can do this in the oven if you want. Right now I have my bacon in the oven, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the air fryer. It probably will take me 2 batches to do because you wanna layer it in single layer so you can get it nice and crispy. All right, now every air fryer will be a little bit different. I, as you see, have the New Wave, and I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna put the cook temp to the 400 degrees. Sorry, I'm trying to video myself today. Don't have any helpers. And then the cook time I'm gonna set at 20. We're gonna go ahead and flip it halfway through and we'll see how it's doing. And I actually usually shake it, I'll show you, instead of do the flip. There it is at 20. We're gonna go ahead and start it and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, this is after 13 minutes and I just go and I'm gonna try to just grab this and I just kind of try to shake them like this around instead of having to individually flip all of them, and that works really well. We're gonna go ahead and pop them back in probably for another 5 to 7 minutes. Still on the 400 degrees. Get it back up to temp. All right, we'll check back and see how they're doing. Okay guys, I am back. This has been a full 20 minutes. I like my tater tots a little crispier for what I'm doing with them. So now that this is done, we're gonna assemble our other things that we're gonna need. All right, everybody, we now have all of our ingredients assembled to make this deliciousness. The tater tots, of course, are gonna be your first layer, and I don't know, I kind of call this a tater tot breakfast nachos type of thing. And then you're gonna wanna layer your scrambled eggs on there. And you can also do this in burritos, which my kids absolutely love, but since it's already super fattening, I do it this way for myself. And then you can do cheese of any kind. I have the Colby Monterey Jack here because that's what I have on hand. But I've also tried it with cheddar, mozzarella, whatever you have works. And get your bacon. And I like lots of bacon, so we're gonna do that. And then for what I use for the sauce is green chili enchilada sauce that you can buy in a can. Feel free to use, of course, any salsa or sauce that you want. And I just liberally pour it on because I love this stuff. And if you want it even spicier, you could, of course, add jalapenos or whatever. And then we're gonna finish with a dollop of sour cream. And there you have it. The easy tater tot breakfast nachos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a fabulous day, and I will catch you later when I'm just so bored again. I make another video.